Hey everybody, Lewis here. So, I'm doing one of my favorite pastimes, which is laundry. I know, I'm crazy. I love to do laundry. And since nobody out there is asking me what crap I have in my laundry room, and since nobody out there probably gives a shit about it, here goes. This is what I keep in my laundry room. I have Turtle Ice synthetic paste polish. I have alcohol fuel. I have DAP Tex Plus multi-purpose foam sealant. I have Brasso metal polish. I have clear plastic cleaner and polish. I have CLR. I have power steering fluid. Power steering Honda fluid, which I don't have a Honda anymore because it broke. I have a steam cleaner, which I really dig, but I never use. I have this plastic thing that is sanding belt cleaner that I bought it for my daughter's awesome skateboard when she was young, and she used to clean her skateboard with it, and it was really cool. I have some Orchid Better Bloom food. This is what we use to do our laundry. Powerful, clean, and 100% plastic free. It's called Blue Land Laundry Detergent Tablets. And you just we keep them in this plastic bin, and you just take one of them. And one of them is enough to do your laundry. It's kind of like the organic theme that we go to. We try to keep everything organic in this house. And then I have some Black Magic liquid wax. This is the little steamer that goes in this box. I have this thing, whatever the hell this is. Oh, this is... Oh, PB Blaster. This shit is awesome. I didn't even know I had this. This is great stuff to loosen things. Anyway, this is great stuff. I have this shit. I have stuff that I don't use. I buy stuff and I don't use it for years. I have a scrubber there to clean upholstery that I never use, but I don't think I bought that. I think actually Vanessa gave that to me. Yeah, Vanessa gave that to me when she moved. But I have tons of stuff that I never use. Look, I have a brand new bottle of 10W30 oil. High mileage motor oil that I should have taken that when I had the oil changed on Muñeca, my 94 Land Cruiser. And then I have some stuff that goes in the radiator. And I have some purple green right there that I never use. I have some dust masks that shouldn't be here. We have some toilet bowl cleaner right there. I have some Supreme Shine High Gloss. I think this shit is for plastics. Yeah, for dashboards and stuff. And then I have some cutting compound that is brand new. I never use. I have the Ultra Cut compound. And I have the Ultra Finish polish over there. And I have some Windex that I never use. And I have some daily wood cleaner that I haven't been working on wood in years because I've been so busy. I have some DOT 3 and 4 brake fluid, synthetic. I have some refill hand sanitizer. I have some Goo Gone, which is awesome, and Rejuvenate, whatever the hell that is. And then I have some scrubbers in here that attach to a drill to clean shit with. And I have more scrubbers up here that I use to clean stuff with. And I have some Rain-X plastic repellent. This is to put on the plastic lights and everything that's plastic. Because when I had a motorcycle, my windshield was plastic. So I would put that on the plastic of my Yamaha V-Star Cruiser 1300. Oh, man, I have some aluminum wheel cleaner. Awesome, because I bought some aluminum wheels from Rafael that he had in his Tacoma with tires that were basically new, and I have them right here. Yeah, I think they're aluminum. I have the wheels and tires here. Yeah, and look how dirty they are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna clean these wheels with them. I was thinking about selling these wheels, but I got them so cheap. And Rafael told me that he paid just for the tires close to $900, and I believe him. You know, people rip people off, and you know, people act like they're your friends, and they acted like they were his friends, and they ripped them off. And when I showed him on Google how much they're supposed to be worth, he should have paid like $150 each for each tire. So that would have been $400, $500, $600. And I guess they charged them an extra $300 for mounting and balancing, which that's not cool, because if they're your friends and they acted like they were his friends, he really sold them. And when I showed him how much they were worth, he was a little bit disappointed. He was like, oh, they ripped me off. And people get ripped off because, he doesn't speak the language. And even though he's been here for, 30 years or whatever, it's still tough, and being alone. And he was he raised his daughter by himself. Wonderful dad. Awesome father. Anyway, guys, that's all the shit that I have in my utility room. And I have this too, this orchid stuff. I didn't even know I had this. I have shit I don't know what I have. When I had my house, you would go into my house and I would have like brand new tools, expensive tools, because I'm freaking crazy and I want them and I think I'm going to use them and I don't. I have a welder that does MIG, TIG, aluminum, a Vevor that I bought on sale for like $300 or $400 when it was on sale, and I've never used it. And I have a planer that I just bought a little while ago for like $300 that was on sale from whatever, 500. I don't know. I'm just throwing a number out of there. So I bought it because it was on sale. I've never used it. I just love tools and I buy them and I'm stupid. Guys do that. And women do it too. Women buy shoes and have tons of shoes. I have tools. I love tools. That's what guys do. Anyway, guys, there you go. There it is. This is what Louis keeps in his laundry room. And I know since everybody was dying not to find out, and since my DMs were not blowing up by everybody wanting to know, there you go, guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you for the likes. Always be kind to yourself. Always love yourself. And teach yourself something new today. Anything. A poem, a song. Learn how to do something crazy. Learn how to, find out what kind of air conditioning system you have. Find out what is that little thing that goes bad on people's home air conditionings that really only costs $25. And when it goes bad, you call the guy that comes to fix your air conditioning and he charges you $300, $400 to fix it. And basically all he's doing is killing the breakers to the electricity and changing this unit. I forget what it's called. I forget the names of stuff. And it's very easy to change. And you could keep it in your house and it's less than $25. And then when your AC goes bad, you have the replacement and you don't have to call somebody to fix it. Especially the ladies. That would be something cool to do, ladies. Learn something like that that'll save you hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And like that, you have so many things that you could do. Things on your car, fuses, whatever, just for fun. Anything. Learn anything. Have a great day, everybody.